Shark egg, but it's hatched. It's empty.
Oh,
So a small shark come out there.
really?
Yes, that's shark eggs. They look like this.
So it's like bugs. He said this is a shark eggs. We are walking on the beach without showering on the beach. So hello. Yes, for today's video ay maglo-long trip tayo, which is 6 hours. Ayan, nakalimutan ko kung anong tawag. Ang hirap kasi ng pronunciation. Basta pupunta tayo dun somewhere far and something wilderness, something like that. Oh, mga hunting tayo ng lion for real. Joke lang. So ayan, today mag-i-stay tayo ng 5 days dun. So mahaba-haba at sana maganda ang weather kasi spring pa rin. So malamig-lamig, ulan-ulan, ganyan. So sana maganda yung ano dun para maka-aura tayo ng konti-konti. Sige, see you there! Say hi! There is a light! Break time and gas up. Ayan. Tapos, lunch time muna nung oras na. Time check. It's 1:45. We left at the house like 10:15. So, ayan, haba ng ano namin ng biyahe, 6 hours. So, nangalahati na tayo. Almost there. Konting-konti na lang. I can see the sea approaching. It's pee break again. Ako'y inaantok. Nakaiglip ako ng konti pero malapit na dito na kami. Malapit na. Konting-konti na lang, mga 3 kilometer na lang sa mga ano na lang. Yung mga 10 minutes siguro o 5 minutes, mga ganun. Max, parang kabisado yung daan eh. Pero malapit na, hindi na kami. So, break. Anong oras na? Teka. Okay, 4:35. Ay, no, 3 pala, 3:35. So, malapit na. Ilang oras na kami? 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. 5 hours na tayo. 5 hours and a half na. Ay, konti na lang. So, we're close. Okay, arriving to the compound. There. And there's the map. You have reached your destination. No, very good. So we're here. We're going inside now. Nature. It means no cell phones allowed. Naks. Ganda ng entrance. Layo ah. But I think he's going to show you where the parking area. Okay, this is the house. Smell weird. We have loaf. Okay. Put that thing. So there's a kitchen. More rooms. Oh, that's a bathroom. Ooh. And this shower and separate bed. So that's our view from outside the house. It's a jungle. And that's the house, and that's me. Hi. Cheers. Good morning. So, ayan ang view natin from the kitchen. So, I'm gonna make my Milo. I'm super late na. Late na ako nagising. Anong oras na? Mag-11 na. Tapos sila in-laws gising na. Yaan mo. Mga matatanda, maaga talaga nagigising yan. Mga bagets talaga late tayo nagigising yan. Kasi late tayo natutulog. So, my kind of breakfast, it's Milo.
Oh, no, 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 no.
It's day 2. So, we decided we going out. We going to the beach. Ayan. Outfit check. Woo! Yan. Di pwede mag-inarte kasi beach pala. Tapos shop. Ayan. Naantay ko si Labyanan na lumabas para ilak natin yung pakay. So, see you there. We're here standing right next to the board.
Yeah, where is it on the...
There's pa, there's mine, there's Johan, there's a beach. Ito na naman yung nasa beach kami pero hindi pwedeng hawakan yung beach kasi it's cold.
Shark egg, but it's hatched. It's empty.
Oh,
So a small shark came out there.
really?
Yes, that's shark eggs. They look like this.
So it's like bugs.
Do a Google search and it will tell you shark eggs.
Okay, he said this is a shark eggs. There's mom, there's Johan, and there's dad. We are walking on the beach without showering on the beach. Ang ganda yung beach area. Kakaiba yung mga stones. Ayan, it's like round. Ito, kakaiba lang ito nakuha ko kasi maganda yung pattern. So, they all round and nice. So, namumulot kami ng stones. Para maganda siya pang pile up, like stack up. Ganun. Is golden, oh thank you. So, mag-grocery tayo ngayon for dinner. After ng walking sa beach. What are you doing?
Nothing much. Waiting for my drink.
So you're in charge for dinner tonight?
Very
Or
good.
he's doing a poiki. That one and over there.
That one is going to go in there, and then that one is going to come in, and then cook for a long 1 hour, and then I can add this one later.
Okay. So I'm not doing anything for tonight then. Next!
Veggies, please. And then when does the wine go? After frying.
No, you put everything. Everything now.